What up, y'all? You know who it is, you know who I be, and if you don't know, I am the one and only Adam the Great X, and this is Giving It to Him Raw with knowledge and music TV for awareness and also education for the conscious mind. Hey, dig though. What's up with y'all? How y'all day going? Hope all is well. On this chilly, partially stormy winter day. What y'all got going on though? What y'all got going on? Y'all in the house, cozy, warm, playing games, smoking dope, feeling good, laughing and giggling. Yeah, well, your boy out here on this tip. Yeah, see this? You know what this is? Some of you new jacks probably won't. You like to ride though, don't you? You don't know what that is, do you? This water pump sits in front of the distributor, right? And the problem with this was it was screaming, and I couldn't hold antifreeze and all that old stuff. Just, issues, right? So I'm just educating those who would see some type of benefit to this video. If you got a bubble, right? But I wanted to show you that, as you can see right there, you see that? That's a gear, right? This right here, that's a gear. And as you can see, those are bearings. Those are bearings, right? But if you can also see, it's slanted. See that? See how it's slanted? See how the bearings is all out of whack and it's slanted, right? That's not supposed to be like that. That's why it was screaming. That's why the water pump was screaming. So it wasn't pumping, right? Now on the new one, as you can see, you don't see that. Feel me? See that? You don't see that. See? See? Straight as a pencil. Well, that's what that is. Yeah. That's how your boy get down. Feel me? Yeah, it's still men out here who making it do what it do. And anyway, just want to do a quick video. And to be continued. I'll let y'all know how it go. Hope everything work out, because you know how it go with these cars. You know what I'm saying? But you know, can't always depend on people, so you gotta, you know what I'm saying, you gotta depend on yourself sometimes. You know what I mean? And in the same breath, be humble, be grateful, be appreciative, because I could not be able to do this. You know what I'm saying? Once upon a time, I wasn't able to do this. So I'm able to do this now. So I'm going to take full constructive advantage. You dig? And if I was you as a young boy slash young man, I would be trying to find something else and otherwise to also do with your mind and your time. Holla back. Real love. All right, I'm back like I left something. Yeah. So, here's the little update. Bam. Yeah. So, now that I got that boy on, you know what I mean? Now, gotta put this boy on, and then we're gonna connect the rest of your digs, and then start them up and see what happens. So In the meantime, to be continued, as you can see, I'm out in this halt. I don't be playing no games, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to my Sugarlicious, you know what I'm saying, for looking out for you guy. And shout out to my mom's for looking out for her son. So anyway, let me get back at it, and I'll hit y'all with the next video. Holla. Yep. As you can see, old radiator boy slapped this joint in. Yep. So shout out to Napa over there on off of Mills and Crosstown for having an old radiator for your guy. You know what I'm saying? Man, lifesaver on Rilla. So yeah, time for some action. Mission temporarily accomplished, as you can see. As we proceed to give you what you need, and I'm not too rude. Tell you that. Still gotta bleed the coolant. A couple of other things, but yeah. Man. Wasn't starting for a minute. But brand new radiator, brand new water pump, did the massive flow sensor. Oh yeah, to be continued.